Chiliz cost commonly equivalent to $0.1191 a coin. In every way that really matters, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The present exchange cost range, 0.1158 0.1204 in an exceptionally enormous way. The earlier day close, 0.1170, which especially is genuinely critical. The change certainly was plus 0.0021, plus 1.79%, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Reverse rate, USD to CHC, really in spite of prevalent thinking. Chiliz value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Chiliz cost forecast on Monday. Walk, 20, cost $0.12, exceptionally most extreme 0.13, least 0.11, which by and large is genuinely huge. Chiliz gauge on Tuesday. Walk, 21, cost $0.11, most certainly greatest 0.12, kind of least 0.10. Chiliz cost forecast on Wednesday. Walk, 22, cost $0.11, kind of greatest 0.12, least 0.10 in a kind of significant way. Chiliz figure on Thursday. Walk, 23, cost $0.11, sort of greatest 0.12, beautiful least 0.10, exhibiting that the change especially was plus 0.0021, plus 1.79% in an unobtrusive way. In multi-week Chiliz cost forecast on Friday. Walk, 24, cost $0.12, truly greatest 0.13, exceptionally least 0.11, which is very critical. Chiliz gauge on Monday. Walk, 27, cost $0.12, by and large most extreme 0.13, in every practical sense, least 0.11 amazingly. Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday. Walk, 28, cost $0.13, essentially greatest 0.14, fundamentally least 0.12, so the earlier day close, 0.1170 in a significant way. Chiliz conjecture on Wednesday. Walk, 29, cost $0.12, truly most extreme 0.13, least 0.11, which certainly is genuinely huge. Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday. Walk, 30, cost $0.11, sort of greatest 0.12, most certainly least 0.10, in every way that really matters, in opposition to prevalent thinking. In about 14 days Chiliz figure on Friday. Walk, 31, cost $0.11, kind of greatest 0.12, certainly least 0.10, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Chiliz cost expectation on Monday. April, 3, cost $0.11, truly most extreme 0.12, beautiful least 0.10, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Chiliz estimate on Tuesday. April, 4, cost $0.11, most extreme 0.12, especially least 0.10, exhibiting that Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday. Walk, 22, cost $0.11, certainly greatest 0.12, especially least 0.10, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday. April, 5, cost $0.11, most extreme 0.12, truly least 0.10, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Chiliz gauge on Thursday. April, 6, cost $0.11, kind of greatest 0.12, least 0.10, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. In 3 weeks Chiliz cost forecast on Friday. April, 7, cost $0.11, extremely greatest 0.12, really least 0.10, or so they sort of thought. Chiliz figure on Monday. April, 10, cost $0.12, greatest 0.13, truly least 0.11, which generally is very critical. Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday. April, 11, cost $0.12, essentially greatest 0.13, genuinely least 0.11 in a genuinely significant way. Chiliz gauge on Wednesday. April, 12, cost $0.12, kind of most extreme 0.13, certainly least 0.11, which truly is very critical. Chiliz cost forecast on Thursday. April, 13, cost $0.12, fundamentally greatest 0.13, especially least 0.11, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. In about a month Chiliz figure on Friday. April, 14, cost $0.12, especially most extreme 0.13, sort of least 0.11. Chiliz cost expectation on Monday. April, 17, cost $0.12, beautiful most extreme 0.13, certainly least 0.11 in a fundamentally significant way. Chiliz gauge on Tuesday. April, 18, cost $0.12, fundamentally greatest 0.13, least 0.11, showing how the change generally was plus 0.0021, plus 1.79%, which certainly is genuinely critical. USD to CHZ swapping scale certainly equivalent to 8.3994 coins per $1 incredibly. Today, S reach 8.3084 minus 8.6333 in a significant way. The past day, S nearby 8.5446 in an exceptionally significant way. Change for now 0.1452, 1.70%, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. USD to CHZ cost figure for in the not-so-distant future and month amazingly. Dollar to Chiliz figure on Monday. Walk 20 cost 8.333 coins, especially most extreme 9.091, fundamentally least 7.692, which sort of is very critical. USD to CHZ expectation on Tuesday. Walk 21 cost 9.091 coins, sort of greatest 10.000, genuinely least 8.333, or so they basically thought. Dollar to Chiliz gauge on Wednesday. Walk 22 cost 9.091 coins, sort of most extreme 10.000, by and large least 8.333 in an essentially enormous manner. USD to CHZ forecast on Thursday. Walk 23 cost 9.091 coins, especially most extreme 10.000, essentially least 8.333, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. In multi-week dollar to Chiliz figure on Friday. Walk 24 cost 8.333 coins, really most extreme 9.091, exceptionally least 7.692, which is genuinely huge. USD to CHZ forecast on Monday. Walk 27 cost 8.333 coins, truly greatest 9.091, least 7.692, or so they really thought. Dollar to Chiliz conjecture on Tuesday. Walk 28 cost 7.692 coins, sort of greatest 8.333, all things considered, least 7.143 in an unpretentious way. USD to CHZ expectation on Wednesday. Walk 29 cost 8.333 coins, sort of greatest 9.091, sort of least 7.692, or so they explicitly thought. Dollar to Chiliz gauge on Thursday. Walk 30 cost 9.091 coins, most extreme 10.000, by and large least 8.333 in a genuinely significant manner. In about 14 days USD to CHZ expectation on Friday. Walk 31 cost 9.091 coins, truly most extreme 10.000, beautiful least 8.333 in an exceptionally large way. Dollar to Chiliz estimate on Monday. April 3 cost 9.091 coins, truly most extreme 10.000, truly least 8.333 in an unobtrusive way. USD to CHZ expectation on Tuesday. April 4 cost 9.091 coins, sort of greatest 10.000, especially least 8.333 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Chiliz conjecture on Wednesday. April 5 cost 9.091 coins, kind of greatest 10.000, in every way that really matters, least 8.333, exhibiting how Chiliz figure on Wednesday. April 12 cost $0.12, by and large most extreme